Welcome to the ultimate showcase of the 10 most amazing smart gadgets you must see. From the latest cutting-edge technology to cool gadgets you haven't seen before, we've got it all covered. Get ready to discover the coolest gadgets available on Amazon that will blow your mind. These amazing smart gadgets are at another level, and we guarantee that you'll love them. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of the top Amazon smart gadgets for 2023. Number 10. GoSun Portable Solar Oven. Looking for a smart and eco-friendly way to cook your meals outdoors? Look no further than the GoSun Portable Solar Oven. This amazing gadget is designed to cook your food year-round, regardless of the weather. With a cooking capacity of 13.5 ounces, most meals can be ready in just 20 to 30 minutes, and boiling water for your tea or coffee takes only 30 minutes. Plus, the 360-degree cooking feature ensures even heating without the risk of burning. And with a maximum temperature of 550 degrees Fahrenheit, this cooker offers versatile cooking options for all your outdoor cooking needs. Get yours today on Amazon. Number 9. QI Charger Stand. Are you tired of cluttered desks and cords everywhere? Look no further than this amazing smart gadget. Not only does it serve as a phone stand with adjustable angles, but it also acts as a quick wireless charger, delivering up to 10 watts of output. Safety is never an issue, with overcharge and over-temperature protection. But wait, there's more. The stand also functions as a night light with 3 brightness levels and 3 colors to choose from. With easy touch panel controls, this gadget is a must-have for any tech enthusiast. You can buy it right now on Amazon and take your workspace to another level. Number 8. FoCase Phone Case. Are you tired of being distracted by your phone when you're trying to work? Check out this FoCase phone case. The phone case designed to help you stay focused and productive. With its second screen and Pomodoro timer, FoCase is the ultimate productivity tool for iOS or Android users. You'll never miss an important call again, thanks to its built-in call recorder, and its invisible stand and to-do list will keep you organized throughout the day. And the best part? FoCase phone case is available on Amazon, so you can buy it right now and take your productivity to the next level. Number 7. Wallet Credit Card Holder. Looking for a sleek and reliable card holder to keep your essentials secure? Look no further than this amazing smart gadget. Made from aerospace-grade aluminum and RFID blocking technology, this wallet can hold up to 5 cards and is available in a variety of great colors. Not only is it slim enough to fit in your pocket, but you can also wear it on a lanyard for added convenience. Plus, with the expandable rail system, you can quickly attach additional compartments and accessories. You won't want to miss out on this top Amazon smart gadget that's at another level. Number 6. Vaydeer Mouse Jiggler. Looking for a way to take a break while keeping your computer active? Check out this amazing smart gadget that you can buy right now on Amazon. It's a mouse mover that lets you delegate your presence in front of your PC while you enjoy a cup of coffee or take a break. The device has a moving disc that makes your optical mouse move randomly, keeping your computer active and preventing away status on Zoom, Skype, and other apps. It's easy to use. Simply plug it into a wall charger or USB port, turn it on, and place your mouse on the disc. It's silent, undetectable by your company, so relax, take a break, and let the mouse mover pretend you're working hard. Number 5. MOFUU Keychain Magnetic Charging Cable. Introducing the MOFUU Keychain Magnetic Charging Cable, the ultimate charging solution for your Apple Watch. This amazing smart gadget doesn't look like a cable at all. It's actually hidden inside the housing. This makes it incredibly portable and convenient to carry. You can clip it to your backpack, add it to your keychain, or simply put it in your pocket. The cable is compatible with virtually all Apple Watch models and uses the same technology as the original charger. The strong magnets keep the watch firmly attached while charging, and you're free to plug it into any adapter, power bank, or laptop. stay charged, and stay on the go with a MOFUU Keychain magnetic charging cable available now on Amazon. Number 4. Lenovo Project Chronos. Introducing the Lenovo Project Chronos remote workspace concept, a truly revolutionary device that will change the way you collaborate with your team. This amazing smart gadget is unlike anything you've seen before, allowing you to control your virtual workspace with your own body movements, gestures, posture, and facial expressions. No motion capture wearables are needed. With an advanced RGB depth camera, your movements are captured and replicated in a 3D virtual environment on your home monitor, giving you the freedom to work from anywhere while still feeling like you're in the same room with your team. Available on Amazon, the Lenovo Project Chronos remote workspace concept is a must-see for anyone looking for a smarter way to collaborate. Number 3. Car Air Purifier. Looking for an air purifier for your car that does more than just fight unpleasant odors? Check out this amazing smart gadget that's available on Amazon. This air purifier is not only powerful enough to eliminate dust and other nasty particles, but it also produces negative ions, so you don't need to worry about replacing filters or scent refills. Plus, it's really easy to install. Just plug it into your car's cigarette outlet. And that's not all. This gadget also comes with 2 USB ports to charge your devices, and the integrated LED lighting ensures you can find the ports even in the dark. You won't find another car air purifier like this one. It's truly at another level. Number 2. Wewatch Mini Projector. Looking for a bigger and better screen? Look no further than this amazing smart gadget. A projector that's no bigger than your average latte. Despite its compact size, this projector can display a crisp 120-inch picture. It's easy to connect with options including HDMI, aux, USB, or Wi-Fi, and comes with an included tripod for optimal positioning. Adjusting the focus is a breeze with the focus ring, and the dual 3-watt speakers are surprisingly powerful, while the cooling system ensures minimal noise. Plug in your favorite streaming device and get ready for the ultimate viewing experience. This is a gadget you won't want to miss. Number 1. Fidget Spinners. Are you feeling stressed and anxious? Well, Fidget Spinners toys can be your best companion in times like this. And if you're looking for something different, we've got you covered. These amazing smart gadgets are made of premium materials and have clicky mechanisms that you haven't seen before. The first one is made of stainless steel and brass with a comfortable fingerprint pattern. Or if you prefer something colorful, try the one crafted from stainless steel and aluminum alloy. For those who like insects, this little cocoon fidget toy is perfect. And last but not least, the sleek egg-like toy with strong magnets inside will provide you with the perfect level of resistance. Get yours now on Amazon and keep your stress at bay. Thanks for watching our video on the 10 amazing smart gadgets you must see. We hope you found some new and exciting gadgets that you'll love. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to purchase these cool gadgets on Amazon. Which gadget was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to see more amazing smart gadgets, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.